Today, we focus on a rising star in the realm of culinary spaces. The kitchen stove island. This exciting concept is transforming traditional kitchen layouts and is quickly becoming a fixture in homes across the globe. Imagine a world where cooking is not just a task but an experience. The kitchen stove island anchors this ideal, bringing together functionality, style, and a social hub, all in one. It serves as a centerpiece that combines cooking appliances with additional counter space, storage, and often an area for dining or gatherings. So, what exactly is a kitchen stove island? It's an island unit where the stove is integrated right into the counter. This design not only enhances workflow but also allows for seamless interaction with family and friends during meal preparation. The concept of the island itself is not new. However, incorporating the stove within this multifunctional space is a relatively fresh trend that caters to the lifestyle of modern families. One of the key advantages of a kitchen stove island is the open layout it promotes. In traditional kitchen designs, the cooking area might feel isolated from the rest of the home. With an island stove, chefs can engage with guests and family members, creating a convivial atmosphere as they sauté, grill, or simmer their favorite dishes. This setup encourages a more interactive cooking experience, fostering connections and conversations in the heart of the home. But why might you consider installing a kitchen stove island? Let's delve into a few compelling reasons. First, it maximizes space efficiency. A well-designed stove island can replace bulky ranges or separate cooktops while providing ample surface area for meal prep. It can also be customized with additional features such as built-in storage drawers, cabinets, or even a wine fridge, all designed to streamline your cooking process. Another point to consider is the design versatility. Whether your home embodies a rustic charm, sleek modernity, or a minimalist aesthetic, a stove island can be tailored to fit various styles. You might choose materials ranging from elegant quartz or granite to more industrial stainless steel, ensuring that it serves not just as a functional appliance but also as a striking piece of decor. As energy efficiency becomes a priority for many households, the kitchen stove island offers modern cooking technology in a compact form. Many manufacturers now offer induction cooktops that heat only the cookware, saving energy and ensuring safety, making them an ideal choice for families with children. Additionally, let's not forget the trend towards open concept living. In increasingly popular designs, such as open kitchens that connect to dining rooms or lounges, having a stove island provides an unobtrusive cooking area that maintains the flow of the space. Guests can comfortably socialize from different areas while meals are being prepared, reflecting a lifestyle where cooking, dining, and relaxation are harmoniously intertwined. However, it's important to highlight that a kitchen stove island is not without its challenges. Some homeowners might need to consider ventilation options, utilizing overhead hoods or downdraft systems to keep cooking odors at bay. Additionally, ensuring adequate electrical and gas connections is crucial for safe and effective operation. In conclusion, the kitchen stove island is more than just a trend. It's a game changer in residential kitchen design, offering a seamless blend of functionality and aesthetics. It represents the evolution of the culinary space into an inviting environment for cooking, gathering, and